But it also means today you're joining literally a century-old legacy here in Hollywood of guests coming in to Universal to learn about the movie Making Magic. That magic starts here. This area we call the front line. As you look around, see these large black and white buildings everywhere that we call sound stages. The sound stage is a big empty warehouse where about 80 to 90% of all the filming takes place. Inside, you build your set, by stage 15, which was home to a scene from Jurassic Park. The kids are running through the rafters in the kitchen. But it's kind of cool to think that these big Hollywood moments are kind of just like next door neighbors here in the back lot. Continuing on the right, we have some smaller stages starting with number 16. And that doesn't mean small projects. In fact, we have the Academy Award-winning Best Motion Picture Oppenheimer with Look at this. Murphy. We're also working on a brand new TV series with an all-lady-led cast, and that is called The 5-Star Weekend. Stars Jennifer Garner, Regina Hall, Jackie Chan. That's going to be premiering on Peacock starting July 9th. This is also the filming location of for us. Oh no. Jack! Jack, what are you doing? Jack, can you hear me? There's a shark! Jack! No! Oh, this is terrible! Ah! Oh, Jack, no, I can't look! I'll never let go, Jack. I'll never let go. Oh, now there goes the dock. Great. And we're gonna need a bigger tram. Attention in my second car. Please take your seats for your safety and those around you. Please return to your seats. Thank you.
Uh-oh, guys.
Blumhouse call it. You're gonna recognize quite a few of them here. I'll highlight some of my favorites, like the Jeep from Jurassic Park. It's when they take to visit the Triceratops at the beginning of the film. We also got the Flintstones, man-powered cars. They don't have engines. Also got the Mona Lisa from Fast and Furious. And I also really love the Back to the Future 2 cars. That's what they thought the world in 2015 was going to look like back in the 80s. But it is funny that they're parked behind this little family-owned establishment because something bad happened here once. A lady checked in and was never seen again. Anyone ever hear of the Bates Motel? Iconic location of Alfred Hitchcock's Psycho. And if I'm not mistaken, is that Norman Bates hanging out by the house up there? Should we go say hi? Oh, a unanimous yes. I mean, this movie was Disney, and it featured the very first flushing toilet. Flushing toilets, crazy. You know, Norman, everybody wanted to say hello. I said if they wanted to, and they were all like, yes. So, big fans of you and your mother. I know she's been upstairs since like 1960. Oh, no. I'm like, you were like hanging out, being like, hey, people on the tram, and now you're pulling knives on us. What the heck? What a psycho. Alright, open until 8, I think. Don't quote me. Double check the Universal Studios Hollywood app for maps, menus, wait times for attractions, park hours, and show